Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a continuation from this look. I am using the makeup that I did on the Halloween tutorial for belly dancing. I'm going to be using that base for my Cleopatra costume. So go look at that tutorial before you start this one. This one is going to be a continuation. So jump over there before coming over here if you want to see how I got all this glam. Let's just jump into this. I'm gonna start by wiping off my lipstick because I'm gonna do a gold lip. So you gotta stay till the end for that one. So let's wipe off the belly dancing lip. Go in with the brush that I blended out my foundation and clean that up. I'm gonna use a felt tip liner and I'm gonna draw some designs. Use a light brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. With this color, I'm gonna start shading it. I'm gonna use this palette from Sonia Kashuk. It's the Ion Neutral No. 2 palette for the gray color. Add some definition, shadowing. I'm gonna jump into the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. I'm just gonna go over that, what we just did. Let's let that dry for a bit and then I'll go over it again. Alright, I'm gonna jump into this color and I'm gonna smudge that on my lash line with the Sigma E70. Actually go in with the matte color first. Don't disturb the glitter. I'm actually gonna go in with the Sigma E40 and the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the color Molten Gold. And I'm going to actually blend that into the turquoise that we put down here. I'm gonna go in with the turquoise color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Put that in the inner corner. Blend it all the way out. I'm actually gonna draw a line coming out this way, like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're not gonna see both eyes at the same time, but try to. So for the next eye, I googled a picture of the Key of the Nile and I started by drawing that out. I mapped it out first and then I go back and draw the rest of the details and fill it in. Working in sections really does help, so go step by step and correct where you need to. It's not going to look perfect and that's okay. I'm gonna color it in with gel liner. So it's all colored in. It's definitely not perfect by any means, but it's okay. Let's go back in with the liner. I'm gonna go in with the Midnight Cowboy. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Sephora waterproof color Wink It felt tip pen in Bone White. And I'm actually gonna just add it right there. Box it out. I'm gonna use this turquoise Wet n Wild liner to emphasize that. Box it out like that. Let me get an angled brush. This one got a little gunky. Blend it out. Connect it to the black. Coffee break. I think the next thing that I want to do after looking at myself so many times, I want to cut the crease a little bit. So I'm going to take an angled brush like this. I'm actually going to take like a burgundy color like this one right here. Like define the crease is what I meant to say. Blend it down. Because I'm going to connect my eyebrows to it. I'm going to take my Sigma E40. And I connected my brow to the crease right there. I'm gonna use some black. I'm gonna go in with the E40. It's not really supposed to be too blended right there anyway. Then I am going to define the brow bone a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with the white highlighter. Just a flat brush like this. Next thing is lips. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick by Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Queen's Blood. Yeah, I like this color a lot. Smoke break. Let's put a little bit of Master Chrome Molten Gold in the center. Yes, bitch. Yes, Cleopatra. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I can imagine that Cleopatra would smoke hookah if she was still alive today, wouldn't she? What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. What's your favorite hookah flavor? This one is great.